MA and UD Industries and Commerce Department for the inauguration ceremony of Akriti Manufacturing Unit. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome our Honorable Minister Shri KT Rao Garu, dynamic leader of Telangana. Warm welcome, sir. It's a pleasure having you here for the inaugural of Akriti Manufacturing Unit. So ladies and gentlemen, we're going to have the inauguration ceremony of Akriti Manufacturing Unit. And yes, of course, we have our chief guest, Shri KT Rao, Honorable Minister of IT, ENC, MA and UD Industries and Commerce Limited. We're going to have the ribbon cutting along with our founder and chairman of Akriti, Dr. Kuldeep Raizada and Deepa Raizada. So बिल्कुल दोस्तों तालियां हो जाएं as we have the inauguration ceremony of Akriti Manufacturing Unit with our Honorable Minister doing the honors. So ladies and gentlemen, that calls for some noise in the house as we are here to inaugurate Akriti Manufacturing Unit, and we have a guest here, our chief guest, our Honorable Minister Shri KT Rao Garu. Come on everybody in the house, let's welcome him and let's have the inauguration ceremony.
Additional collector in the name of collector. Take this.
We also have Mr. Jayesh Ranjan, sir, Principal's Chief Secretary. Warm welcome, sir.
Third नहीं है. Yeah, he's here. Mahipal Reddy is here. Ranjit Reddy is here. Mahipal Reddy is here. Mota Gopal is not here. Motu नहीं, Mota.
ये तो सब यहाँ के हैं, ये सब ये नहीं, यहाँ पर ये नहीं बुलाना है, और कोई किसी को स्टेज पे बुलाना है?
नहीं,
ये सब तो है ऑलरेडी,
बस यही है.
नहीं नहीं ये this is this part is done, yeah. So dude, this is आपदला art ceremony where after you play the video you have to get on the stage, welcome everyone, and I'll help you with this speech. In the sense, I'll just give you the narration. It would not be verbatim, but I'm just telling you. हाँ हाँ उसके बाद is our event, okay? So there is
What do you want? What do you want to pick off? Pick from?
Krupa Patel, Guju, in Hyderabad. Very nice.
Call you by as Kupa. Yeah. There's someone MLC was somebody. Gopal Reddy. Okay, not Gopal. Then? Gopal. Gopal.
So, ladies and gentlemen, I welcome you all on this auspicious occasion, which marks the beginning of a new chapter of Medical Devices Park in Telangana. And we have our chief guest joining us here, ladies and gentlemen. Come on, everybody in the house, let's welcome our Honorable Minister KT Ramarao Garu, sir. Warm welcome, sir. It's a pleasure having you here for the inaugural ceremony. And I would also like to request Mr. Jayesh Ranjan, sir, to please join us on the stage, our Principal Chief Secretary, along with Dr. Ranjit Reddy, sir, MP, to please join us on the stage. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a warm welcome to Mr. Mahipal Reddy, MLA. We also have Mr. Bhupal Reddy, MLC, joining us here. Warm welcome, sir. We would also like to welcome Mr. Narasimha Reddy, VC and MD of TSIIC. Warm welcome, sir. Pleasure having you
Access
here.
to eye care is
We
taken
would
for
also like to
granted in the
have
first world.
Mr. Shakti Nagapan,
For
sir,
people living in
Director of
smaller
Life
communities
Sciences,
in
joining us
developing
here.
countries, there exists very little help. 2.5 billion people still remain without eye care because either they lack the access
Along
to
with,
vision
we
screening
would like to
or
have
even lack the awareness about vision correction at all.
Dr. S.
Many are unaware of the
Natrajan,
cause
sir,
of the symptoms they face.
Dr. Geeta ma'am,
Children drop out of school,
Mr. Vinod
and
Daniel,
older adults
sir.
are no longer able to safely practice their skills.
Please join us on the stage. So, ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you AV on Akriti Manufacturing Unit. Please enjoy, everyone. So we'd like to have our founder and chairman of Akriti Group, Dr. Kuldeep Raizada, sir, to please join us on the stage. Dr. S. Natarajan, sir, please join us on the stage. Dr. Geeta ma'am is already here. I would like to have Mr. Vinod Daniel, sir, joining us here. So, ladies and gentlemen, it's a pleasure having our Honorable Minister with us here. And yes, I request our Honorable Minister for IT, ENC, MA and UD Industries and Commerce Department, Shri KT Ramarao Garu, to please address the gathering. We'd like to have a representative from Huel Life Sciences to please join us on the stage. Rees MedLife to please join us on the stage. SVP Techno Engineers. I request someone from the team, from the company to please join us on the stage. Arca Medical. Promio Therapeutics. And Elvicon.
Yeah, from all these 6 companies, I request the representatives to come onto the dais and take the seats. Thank you very much.
So today we're going to have the inauguration of companies at Medical Device Park. So ladies and gentlemen, come on everybody in the house, let's put your hands up in the air for our honorable, the dynamic leader in the house, Shri KT Ramarao Garu.
Thank you. Gauronilu, Pedalu, Patancheru, Shasan Sabilu, Mahipal Reddy Garu, Gauronilu, Pedalu, Shasana Mandali, Maji Sabilu, Maji Protem Chairman Garu, Bhupal Reddy Garu, Gauronilu, Chevella, Parliament Sabilu, Dr. Ranjit Reddy Garu, Principal Secretary, Industry and IT, Jayesh Ranjan Garu, Gauronilu, Ma TSIIC, MD Garu, Narsimha Reddy Garu, Gauronilu, Director, Life Sciences of Industries Department, Shakti Nagapan Garu, Additional Collector, Local Bodies, Sangareddy, Rajarshi Garu, Professor Geeta Garu, ఇంకా వేదిక పైన ఆసీనులైన పెద్దలందరికీ ముఖ్యంగా ఈరోజు 7 యూనిట్లు ఏవైతే ప్రారంభించామో ఆ 7 యూనిట్లకి సంబంధించిన యాజమాన్యాలకి వాటి యొక్క హువెల్ లైఫ్ సైన్సెస్, శిశిర్ అండ్ రచన, ఎల్వికాన్, రీస్ మెడ్ లైఫ్, ఎస్విపి టెక్నో ఇంజనీర్స్, ఆర్కా మెడికల్, ప్రోమియా థెరప్యూటిక్స్, రాజేష్ అండ్ పూజా, Akriti Oculoplasty, to all the senior management, the founders, the entrepreneurs who've been a part of today's event. It's my pleasure to be here amidst all of you on this important day that marks a milestone for the Medical Devices Park in Telangana, Sultanpur in Patancheru. I'm extremely delighted to inaugurate and witness the grand opening of these 7 entrepreneurial entities. I remember standing here and addressing the leaders of the medtech industry on this very own campus during the inauguration in 2017, exactly 4 years ago. I firmly believe that this would have materialized much sooner but for COVID. But nevertheless, it's a matter of great pride and also great pleasure that in just a few years, in span of few years, this park has taken off so well and has already become one of the leading and most attractive research and development and manufacturing destinations for the medical devices companies. And this, as I said, despite the setbacks faced by the industry and entrepreneurs during the unprecedented COVID period. Since its launch, the park has received an overwhelming response, with about 50 companies setting up their manufacturing and R&D units with an overall investment of rupees 1,424 crores and a total employment potential of 7,000 direct jobs and at least twofold that indirect. I congratulate all the 7 companies on this occasion who have inaugurated their facilities. My compliments to all of you entrepreneurs. Medical devices and diagnostics are indispensable tools for quality healthcare delivery. Government of Telangana recognizes medical devices and diagnostics sector as a high potential, high growth sector which presents unlimited opportunities. We are committed to promoting research, development, innovation and manufacturing in this segment. Medical Devices Park is indeed a very important initiative of the Government of Telangana, which underscores not only our intent to leverage the promising potential of the industry for the state, but also to reduce dependency on country's imports. This park also reinforces the government's commitment to strengthen the state's manufacturing capabilities, which, going forward, will help attract even greater investments in a broad range of medical device product segments, ranging from capital equipment, implantable devices, diagnostics, and consumables. We aim to make this park as not just a global factory for the world, but a global medtech innovation ecosystem. The red-hot life sciences industry has seen an incredible growth in the last 2 years as a response to the pandemic crisis, as the biomedical and diagnostics revolution has gained traction world over. Key discoveries ranging from the development of engineered modified RNA technology, which enabled rapid development of effective COVID-19 vaccines, to bioprosthetic implants, to at-home genetic testing kits, to cardiac diagnostic tools, to handheld ultrasound devices, to mobile ventilators, to oxygen concentrators, to personal protection equipment, and all other medical supplies have propelled growth and investment in this sector. India is among those countries recently named as likely to have the strongest gains in developing next generation life-saving products and rapid diagnostics manufacturing to meet urgent healthcare needs of the world in the coming years. During this period of tremendous growth in both the Indian economy and its healthcare sector, coupled with availability of skilled human resource and low operation costs, it is critical time to capitalize on the opportunities in the medical devices sector available within India, and particularly the MedTech Park of Hyderabad. The comprehensive and vibrant multidisciplinary ecosystem of Hyderabad clearly differentiates the city from the rest of the country. While there are more than 20 innovation centers in Hyderabad, the government has also established the country's largest prototyping facility called as T-Works to support the development activities and enable the manufacturing activity at the Medical Devices Park. In addition, Hyderabad has numerous companies with expertise in plastics, precision engineering, electronics, etc., all of which are extremely vital for the medical device innovators and manufacturers. As a natural outcome, the city is making rapid strides in redefining healthcare for India. We need to help these companies innovate and develop products that are more advanced, efficient, and most importantly, affordable. We also have to help companies build products that are relevant to our region, thereby helping to reduce imports. It is in this context, our focus is not only helping the medtech industry establish their manufacturing centers, but also supporting innovation and research and development, which will ultimately lead to large-scale manufacturing. And hence, we have adopted an end-to-end approach for promoting growth in this sector with large thrust on promoting design and development of innovative medical devices. I'm also very excited to state today that Hyderabad has become a hotbed for medtech innovation. A few months back, I had the pleasure of inaugurating the largest research and development center outside of the United States of America for a company called Medtronic, which serves as a testimony to Hyderabad's growing prowess for medtech research in India. I'm also happy to note that the center has already started making its impact by making significant contributions to the development and testing for a robotic-assisted surgery system, and also in the development of simplified and remotely deployable solution that can help physicians monitor the vital parameters of their patients no matter where they are in the world, thus ensuring safety and minimizing clinical exposure. This center of Medtronics has also helped in development of a patient-centric MyCareLink heart mobile application for remote patient monitoring, and I'm told that the CareLink heart today has more than 40,000 active patients, enhanced 24/7 remote monitoring experience. I would also like to take this opportunity to highlight the growing role of startups in the state, especially in the medical technology sector. A range of companies and startups based in Hyderabad are focused on building next generation medical device products such as 3D printed bionic arms, imaging systems, digital health solutions, mobile dialysis units, next generation stents, targeted delivery devices, implants, among others. These startups and companies are taking a variety of approaches to innovating in the medical device industry, and they continue to put Hyderabad on the innovation global map, and the Medical Devices Park offers complementary support to these innovators and companies as they scale up. The kind of investments and establishments in this space that Hyderabad has witnessed in the last 4 years, not only from local but also from global companies, has been extremely overwhelming and gratifying. I would also like to highlight that B. Braun, a leading medical devices company in the world, headquartered in Germany, has invested more than rupees 100 crores in the state and currently employs more than 550 people with focus on producing world-class quality products in the portfolio of infusion therapy, comprising of hypodermic syringes and needles, intravenous sets, and other infusion accessories. I'm happy to note that they have aggressive plans to scale up their footprint here in Hyderabad and make further investments. I acknowledge the presence of Mr. Ravi Walia, the General Manager, Government Affairs, Market Access, B. Braun Medical, for joining us in this event. Ravi, you might want to get up and say hello to everybody. I hope that the association between the state of Telangana and B. Braun only grows stronger in future. And today, I'm delighted and honored to be inaugurating 7 companies of med devices, as I pointed out. Promia Therapeutics, Huvel Life Sciences, Akriti, Oculoplasty, Arca Engineers, SVP Techno Engineers, Elvicon, and Reese MediLife. I'm happy to note that these companies have proposed a total investment of about 265 crores and the employment generation of almost 1,300 direct jobs. I would like to highlight that Promia Therapeutics is slated to be one of the biggest IV fluids and bags manufacturing facilities in the country, with a production capacity of 5 million bottles and bags a month. Promia is also one of the largest fully integrated in vitro diagnostic manufacturing facilities with capabilities to manufacture novel molecular kits such as triplex RT-PCR for HIV, hepatitis B, and hepatitis C, and routine parameters for ELISA, rapid tests, biochemistry, and hematology used in every lab. Altogether, more than 100 different diagnostic products coming just from one Promia. In the near future, Promia will also be launching a 25,000 instrument division to develop point-of-care devices and analyzers used in diagnostic labs. My compliments to Pooja and also Rajesh for this wonderful growth in the last few years. Huvel Life Sciences is engaged in the manufacturing of molecular diagnostics and lateral flow rapid antigen antibody kits with the capacity to produce 3 million tests a month. The company will also manufacture room temperature stable reagents which enable transportation and storage of RT-PCR kits at room temperatures. It is a matter of great significance that this company, Huvel Life Sciences, manufactures all the components in-house, which include enzyme primers and probes, which are extremely helpful in effective implementation of RT-PCR tests in Tier 2 and Tier 3 towns. My compliments to Shishir and Rachna, both of who have been extremely agile during the pandemic period. Arca will be manufacturing dental implants, maxillofacial implants, custom designed prosthesis, cranial 3D plating systems, and R&D in bone grafts, etc. SVP engineers will be manufacturing linear motion and automation products, solutions like continuous passive motion equipment, medical bathing system, and robotic gait training system. All of these again coming from this Medical Devices Park. Elvicon will be manufacturing 3D printed implants and health parameter monitoring technologies and sensors, while Akriti will be manufacturing a range of high-end ocular implants and a range of ophthalmic devices. Reese MediLife will also produce various sterilized wound dressing, surgical kits, among others. My request to these 7 companies and also to other companies in this space is to continue to grow from Hyderabad and continue to make all of us proud. In addition to many other facilities, Asia's largest stent manufacturing facility will also be set up by Sahajanand Medical Technologies, which will be inaugurated in a couple of months, and I'm sure I'll come back for that inauguration as well. I would also like to take this opportunity to request all of these companies and also other companies who are in the process of setting up labs and units in the MedTech Park to strive to move up the value chain. Let's nurture the ecosystem to manufacture high-quality medical devices and compete with the world. I'd like to take this opportunity to request these companies also to ensure that we continue to innovate as we move forward. These developments will continue to keep Hyderabad on the innovation map, on the MedTech map, and we are also on course. In fact, we had set an ambitious goal for ourselves. Right now, as of 2020, Hyderabad's life sciences ecosystem is valued at $50 billion. We had set a very ambitious goal for ourselves that we will double this to $100 billion in a matter of 10 years by 2030. And I'm very confident with a complete life sciences spectrum, starting from bulk drugs, pharmaceuticals, to biotechnology, to vaccine manufacturing, to medical devices, to Hyderabad Pharma City. The entire life sciences industry in Hyderabad and its future looks very, very good. My compliments to TSIC, my compliments to Shakti, and the entire team on making this wonderful event work today. And for ఇక్కడ స్థానికంగా ఉన్న మా మిత్రుల కోసం ప్రస్తుతం భారతదేశం 78% ఏవైతే పరికరాలు మనం వైద్యంలో వాడుతూ ఉన్నామో, అంటే మనకు సర్జరీస్లో కానీ ఇతరత్రా కానీ వాడుతున్నామో, 78% మెడికల్ డివైజెస్ని మనం ప్రస్తుతం ఇతర దేశాల నుంచి దిగుమతి చేసుకుంటా ఉన్నాం. ఈరోజు చాలా విచిత్రమైన పరిస్థితి ఏమంటే, నేను గతంలో ఒక 2-3 సంవత్సరాల కిందట బయో ఏషియా అనే ఒక సదస్సు ఉంటే అక్కడ నేను చాలామంది మెడికల్ డివైజెస్ ఈ తయారీదారులు ఎవరైతే ఉంటారో, ఎవరెవరైతే ఈ వస్తువులను ఉత్పత్తి చేస్తారో వాళ్ళతో మాట్లాడి అడిగినాను, మీకు ఏం కావాలి, ఏం చేస్తే భారతదేశంలో మ్యానుఫ్యాక్చర్ చేయడానికి, తెలంగాణలో మీరు ఉత్పత్తి చేయడానికి మీకు అనుకూలంగా ఉంటుందని. వారు ఒక విచిత్రమైన మాట చెప్పినారు. సార్, ఈరోజు ఈ మనం వేసుకునే గ్లవ్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా, ఇప్పుడు పాండమిక్లో మాస్కులు, గ్లవ్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా, ఈ గ్లవ్స్ కానీ మాస్కులు కానీ మేము చైనా నుంచి తెచ్చుకుంటే కూడా ఇక్కడ తయారు చేసిన దానికంటే తక్కువ ధరకు వస్తున్నాయి సార్ అని చెప్పినారు వాళ్ళు. అంటే దీన్ని బట్టి మనం అర్థం చేసుకోవచ్చు మన సిస్టంలో మనకుండే పరిస్థితుల్లో ఎన్ని రకాల ఇబ్బందులు తయారీదారులకు ఉన్నాయో, ప్రపంచంతో పోటీ పడాలి అంటే ఎన్ని రకాల సవాళ్లు మన ముందున్నాయో దాన్ని బట్టి అర్థం చేసుకోవచ్చు. అందుకే తెలంగాణ ప్రభుత్వం గౌరవ ముఖ్యమంత్రి కేసీఆర్ గారి ఆదేశం మేరకు ఒక ఆలోచనతో, ఒక వ్యూహంతో జీవ ఔషధ రంగం అంటే లైఫ్ సైన్సెస్ రంగం ఏదైతే ఉన్నదో ఇందులో ఎండ్ టు ఎండ్ అంటే బల్క్ డ్రగ్స్ కావచ్చు, కెమికల్స్ కావచ్చు, ఫార్మస్యూటికల్స్ కావచ్చు, లేదా వ్యాక్సిన్స్ కావచ్చు, లేదా మన ఈ మెడికల్ డివైజెస్ కావచ్చు, ఇవన్నింటికి సంబంధించి తెలంగాణనే ఒక కేంద్రంగా, ఒక హబ్గా తయారు చేయాలన్న ఉద్దేశంతో రకరకాల ప్రయత్నాలు చేస్తూ ఉన్నాం. ఒకవైపు హైదరాబాద్కి దక్షిణం వైపు శ్రీశైలం రోడ్డుకి ముచ్చెర్ల ప్రాంతంలో హైదరాబాద్ ఫార్మా సిటీ పేరిట ఒక 19,000 ఎకరాల్లో దాదాపుగా చివరి దశలో ఉంది ఆ ప్రాజెక్టు. అక్కడ కూడా ఒక హైదరాబాద్ ఫార్మా సిటీ పేరిట ప్రపంచంలోనే అతిపెద్ద ఫార్మా క్లస్టర్ని ఏర్పాటు చేయబోతా ఉన్నాం. మరొక వైపు జీనోమ్ వ్యాలీ ఏదైతే ఉన్నదో షామీర్పేట ప్రాంతంలో దాన్ని కూడా విస్తరించి మరింత పెద్దగా చేసి, ఇప్పటికే హైదరాబాద్, తెలంగాణ ప్రపంచ వ్యాక్సిన్ రాజధానిగా ఉన్నది. మొత్తం ప్రపంచంలో తయారయ్యే వ్యాక్సిన్లలో 3వ వంతు వ్యాక్సిన్లు అంటే 35% వ్యాక్సిన్లు ప్రస్తుతం హైదరాబాద్లోనే, తెలంగాణలోనే తయారవుతున్నాయి. ఇది మనందరికీ కూడా గర్వకారణం. దాన్ని మరింత విస్తరించి వ్యాక్సిన్ తయారీని కూడా మరింత ప్రోత్సహించి మరింత విస్తృతం చేయాలనే ఆలోచనతో ఆ ప్రయత్నం కూడా చేస్తూ ఉన్నాం. దాంతోపాటు హైదరాబాద్ నగరం లోపల పారిశ్రామిక కాలుష్యం ఉండకూడదన్న ఉద్దేశంతో ఏ కాలుష్యకారక పరిశ్రమలు అయితే ఉన్నాయో, రెడ్ ఆరెంజ్ కేటగిరీ ఇండస్ట్రీస్ అయితే ఉన్నాయో వాటిని కూడా ఔటర్ రింగ్ రోడ్ బయటికి తరలించే ప్రయత్నం చేస్తూ ఉన్నాం. దాంతోపాటు ఈరోజు మెడికల్ డివైజెస్ ఏదైతే ఇప్పుడే నేను చెప్పినట్టు 78% మనం ప్రపంచం నుంచి, ఇతర దేశాల నుంచి దిగుమతి చేసుకుంటున్నామో వారి కోసం కూడా ఇక్కడే తయారు చేసే విధంగా, ఇక్కడ మన వైద్యులకు కానీ మన వైద్య ఖర్చులు తగ్గే విధంగా మనం ఇక్కడే ప్రయత్నం చేయాలన్న ఉద్దేశంతో ఈ మెడికల్ డివైజెస్ పార్క్ ఏర్పాటు చేసినాం. 4 ఏళ్ల కిందట ఈ పార్కు శంకుస్థాపన చేయడానికి వచ్చినప్పుడు మొత్తం రాళ్ళు రప్పలతో ఈ ప్రాంతం, ఇప్పుడే నేను కొంతమంది పత్రికా విలేకరులు మిత్రులతో మాట్లాడుతూ ఉంటే రాళ్ళు రప్పలతో ఈ ప్రాంతం మైపాలరెడ్డి గారు కూడా చెప్తా ఉన్నారు. ఇక్కడ ఏమైనా చేయొచ్చా అంటే ఏమి చేయడానికి వీలు లేకుండా సాగుకు యోగ్యంగా లేదు, కేవలం రాళ్ళు రప్పలతో ఉన్న ప్రాంతం. అట్లాంటి ఈ ప్రాంతంలో ఈరోజు చాలా సంతోషం ఏమంటే 50 కంపెనీలు ఈరోజు ల్యాండ్ తీసుకోవడమే కాకుండా డిఫరెంట్ స్టేజ్ ఆఫ్ కన్స్ట్రక్షన్లో మీరు ఎక్కడ పోయినా కూడా ఈరోజు వివిధ స్థాయిల్లో నిర్మాణాలు జరుగుతూ ఉన్నాయి. అందులో 7 యూనిట్లు ఈరోజు ప్రారంభించుకున్నాం, మిగతా వాటిని కూడా ప్రారంభించుకుంటాం. ఆసియా ఖండంలోనే అతిపెద్దదైన స్టంట్ మ్యానుఫ్యాక్చరింగ్, స్టంట్ అంటే మనకి గుండెలో వేస్తారు, కిడ్నీలో వేస్తున్నారు, ఈ మధ్యన రకరకాలుగా వేస్తున్నారు, వాటికి కూడా అతిపెద్దదైన స్టెంట్ మ్యానుఫ్యాక్చరింగ్ ప్లాంట్ కూడా ఏప్రిల్ మే మాసం వరకు తయారవుతుంది. ఎస్ఎంటీ అనే కంపెనీ వాళ్ళు కూడా ఇక్కడ పెడతా ఉన్నారు, వాళ్ళది కూడా మళ్ళీ ప్రారంభోత్సవం ఉంటుంది. ఆ రకంగా ఈ పార్క్ ఏదైతే మనం 2017లో ఒక లక్ష్యాన్ని ఆశించి పెట్టుకున్నామో 7,000 మందికి ప్రత్యక్ష ఉపాధి అవకాశాలు, కనీసం ఒక 15,000 మందికి పరోక్షంగా ఉపాధి అవకాశాలు కల్పించే విధంగా ఇక్కడ సుల్తాన్పూర్లో ఏదైతే పెట్టుకున్నామో విజయవంతంగా ఈరోజు మొదటి 7 కంపెనీలు ప్రారంభోత్సవం చేసుకున్నాం. భవిష్యత్తులో ఈ పార్కును మరింత విస్తరించే ప్రయత్నం కూడా స్థానిక శాసనసభ్యులు, స్థానిక మా ప్రజాప్రతినిధుల సహకారంతో చేస్తామని చెప్పి కూడా తెలియజేస్తూ, భారతదేశానికే మెడికల్ డివైజెస్ రంగంలో ఒక కేంద్రంగా, మెడికల్ డివైజెస్ తయారీ కేంద్రంగా, కర్మాగారంగా తెలంగాణ మారాలని, అందులో ఇక్కడ మన పిల్లలకి పెద్ద ఎత్తున ఉపాధి అవకాశాలు రావాలని మనస్ఫూర్తిగా కోరుకుంటూ ఈ కార్యక్రమానికి సహకరించిన ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి, ముఖ్యంగా ఈరోజు 7 యూనిట్లు ఏవైతే ప్రారంభించారో ఆ 7 యూనిట్లకు సంబంధించిన యాజమాన్యాలకు కూడా హృదయపూర్వకమైన శుభాకాంక్షలు గట్టిగా మీరు చప్పట్లతో చెప్పాలని చెప్పి కూడా కోరుతూ మళ్ళొకసారి మీ అందరికీ కూడా నమస్కారాలు. జై తెలంగాణ.
Thank you so much, sir. And now we would like to have a moment to call upon Shri Ravi Walia, sir, on the stage and request our Honorable Minister to felicitate him, followed by the group picture.
SMT वाला है ये? No, this is metro.
I would like to call Mr. Rajiv
Mr. Rajiv Chibbar from SMT.
to please join us on the stage. Thank you so much, sir, for doing the honors. Now we would like to have a group picture. I request all the companies to please join us forward. So, ladies and gentlemen, we are honored to have our Honorable Minister for the inauguration and grand opening of 7 companies in Medical Device Park, Sultanpur, Hyderabad. Thank you so much, sir, for being the part of the inauguration. So, ladies and gentlemen, that's our Honorable Minister of Municipal Administration and Urban Development, IT Industries and Commerce, Shri KT Ramarao Garu. Thank you so much, sir, for your gracious presence. I request Akriti staff to please join us for a group picture. I request the Akriti staff to please join us for the group picture.